Hey, it's Holly. How you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sitting here in my living room and I'm about to go through some Amazon products that I have bought from Zipperby yet again. So just wanted to check out the quality and the comps and see if anything is broken because I do have 7 days to return these products. So again, we're here in Ohio. Zipperby, I believe, is only here, but there are other auction houses that do buy and sell these products individually where you don't have to buy like a full pallet. So that is what I'm doing right now because we just don't really have the room to buy a full pallet, but we did want to get our feet wet with these Amazon return products and just see what they are all about. So stay with me. We're going to dive into these products. All right, first item is the Omega Juicer. It has the bonus cap for the celery, and there's the model number. Let's give it a look. Paused it for a second so I could get this over. That is the motor. So far so good. Paperwork, various parts. So I'm going to go ahead and take these items out so we can get a better look at them. All right, so I've taken everything out of the box. One thing I always look at is the tie. Has it been untwisted and twisted back, which you can generally tell. So I would definitely say yes on that. So all the parts look to be here. It's in good condition. The push tool has been used, I can tell because it has a little bit of staining on there. Looks a little green, if you can see that. Everything else looks great. Obviously, they cleaned it really well. I don't see any scratches. This sells for $2.99 on Amazon. I will be asking $160. I paid $60 at the auction, so that leaves me with $100 on this item. And makes it easy to ship because it has the box and everything. So there we go. Let's move on to the next item. All right, next we have the Nespresso Virtual Next. And I bought this because the box looked to be in impeccable condition. I didn't see any damage on this particular box like the juicer. So I took a chance on this, and I love these things especially. But these sell for $2.50 on Amazon, so let's take a peek. I should turn it around. Alright, let me take this out really fast. Alright, everything's out of the box, but something's missing. This is supposed to have a little part that goes right here, and it's supposed to hold your cup. So there's something missing in here. I'm not sure what to do. I don't know if I should just order the part and sell it, or just sell it as is, but this sells for $2.50 on Amazon, like I said. I was going to ask $120 for it because the box is open, or maybe $130. I paid $38 for it at the auction. That would give me an $82 profit. So now I have to do new comps because I'm really not sure where that leaves me. I went ahead and put 2 items out here just to speed things along. So we've got the Keurig Slim and Tefal OptiGrill XL. So we'll head over here and see the condition of this. Alright, so far looks like, see that? Looks like a little scratch. All right, I went ahead and took it out of the box. There, you can see the scratch a little bit better there. Otherwise, it looks to be in good condition. Obviously, they must have used it and probably returned it, maybe because of the scratch. That looks clean. Looks clean there. I don't see any other damage. I'm going to turn this thing around. Okay. This does come with brewing information, maybe a instruction pamphlet. So overall, this looks pretty good. All right, so this sells for $110 on Amazon. I paid $38. So that leaves me with, in the condition that it's in, I will ask for about $63 from comps that I looked at. So that leaves me with $25. And originally I did purchase this because it was my mother's birthday, but after speaking with her, I kind of gave her the option of what she wanted, and she did not really want this. So here we go. I'll make 25 bucks. I'll probably sell this on Marketplace or Facebook just to make it easy, and hopefully no shipping is involved. Moving on to the Tefal Opti Grill XL. This bad boy is pretty cool. It is basically just an upgrade from the George Foreman, but it does have sensors in it that will allow you to cook what type of meat. If you can see the options there, if you're cooking like steak, you just select it and it's programmed to basically tell you like at what temperature you want to cook it, and the sensor will light up whenever it's done. It's pretty cool. Why would someone return this? Let's find out. I went ahead and took everything out. It was packaged nicely, had the styrofoam, has the original packaging. Looks like it has all the books with it, including instructions and recipes. So there we go. And that is what I was talking about. You can select your meat, and then over here, I guess this lights up because I did look this up online. And this light will actually match whatever color you want it to be. And there's your temperature control. So far it looks great. Doesn't look like it's been used at all. And I see scratch. See that? So I'm assuming it's been used. Maybe they just cleaned it really well, or they scratched it when they were taking it out. Maybe it got damaged on the truck. I mean, who knows? That's a gamble that you have to take, and I don't see any reason to really return it to Zipper Buy for a scratch. I can probably resell it and still make some money off of this item. They sell for $188 on Amazon. I paid $41 for this, so I will probably list this for $109, and that is a $68 profit. Now, when I say profit, I am not deducting eBay's fees, so I am deducting fees from the auction, and that is in my total amount paid. Oh, there's something else that goes with this. It's a little tray, just like the George Foreman, that sits under here and catches any drippings or grease or whatever that come out. Next we have Hamilton Beach Flex Brew. It's a coffee maker and like a Keurig in one. And I bought a couple of these Cool Mist humidifiers. You will always see these things on Amazon returns. Again, I don't know why, but I needed a Cool Mist humidifier, and then this guy over here was only like $6. Excuse me. So I went ahead and purchased both of them. I think this one was 10. This one was 6, so I just picked them up because if one didn't work, I wanted to keep the other, and then I'll be selling the one that I don't want to keep. So let's dive into the coffee maker. This is actually the one that my mom picked. I let her choose for her birthday, and she was like, well, I really like to save some counter space, so she wanted the coffee maker and the Keurig in one. So the other one's getting sold. And this is the keeper for my mom. I did not take this out, but when she chose, I just kind of opened the box and looked, and I was like, ooh, that actually looks like it's brand spanking new. I'm not going to take this out because you can tell it has not been used. And yeah, see? There you go. That is proof that it's never been used. So we'll just go ahead and keep that in the box. I think you can see what it is. It's got all the paperwork. So that is going to Mother. And I paid 16 bucks for this. They sell for $99 on Amazon. I didn't do a comp for it just because I know I'm giving it to her, but I would assume probably like 50 or 60 bucks on eBay if I was to sell this. Actually, for it being brand new and just literally an open box with no usage, I would say close to 65 on that. Okay, so Vicks Ultra Quiet Cool Mist Humidifier. This is a 1.2 gallon capacity. These are great. You have kids, you know about these things. I have one that's warm mist and it really gets hot in the room. My son, I have to leave his bedroom door open because he just burns up. So it's got some coupons, paperwork. So this one looks like, okay, yeah, brand new. I'm not going to take it out since we have a picture on the outside. All right, let's move on. So this is a 1.2 gallon capacity as well. It's just different shape. Alrighty, take this out of the box. This one may have been used. I can't really see any usage marks indicating that it has been used. However, you can see that the cord has been unwound. It's got the papers in it. I'll probably just keep this one for my kids and sell the other one since it's brand new in the box. That's probably what I'll end up doing. And I paid $6 for this guy. They sell for $60 on Amazon, and so I think I'll make like 30 bucks off that guy. Not bad. One last item. I bought this Instapot. It's a dual crisp air fryer. All right, let's take a look inside. The box looks pretty good. This box is actually pretty big. A little concerned with shipping. A lot of them that I've seen on eBay have free shipping, and that scares me because this box is actually like 20 pounds. So for me to ship this for free, it's gonna cost some money. And that's gonna take away from the profit that I'm gonna make on this. Looks like all the original paperwork is here. All right, that looks like, maybe that goes, I think that's for the air fryer portion of this. So far, so good. All right. It does look like this is the original packaging. It doesn't look like this has ever been removed. You can tell by just the way that's folded. This would be all messed up. And then that looks really nice. I don't think I want to take this out because then it's going to get all messed up. So I'm not seeing that anything's missing. This is the extra lid. It has two lids. One is for the pressure cooker. I think it's that one. And then this is for the air fryer portion of it. Like I said, this thing is huge. As far as comps on this, they sell for $200 on Amazon. I paid $44. I'll probably be asking $125, so that's an $81 profit on this. All right, guys, well, that concludes today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you to see just a little bit of insight of Amazon return products and just the overall condition of them. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and share, and please hit that notification bell for future updates. Thanks so much.